In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix problems in PayPal when your money is on hold. So when you go to your PayPal account, you can log in and type on the help search button and to why is your payment on hold or unavailable. So usually it takes 5 days to 7 days and the maximum will be 21 days. So you can see the reasons to why your payment is on hold. Probably you're a new seller with PayPal and you need to establish first and maybe haven't sold in a while, or you have multiple customers reported problems, your selling pattern appears to be unusual, or you're selling higher risk items. So these are just few reasons to why your payment is on hold or unavailable. However, you can also check here on how you can release your payments that are on hold. So 2 steps, you maybe release by adding a track or add tracking to your account, and it will be hold approximately for 24 hours after the courier confirms delivery to your buyer address, or you can update the order status of your account. Now here's another way for you to receive your money which is on hold. All you have to do is just to inform your seller or the one who sent the money to review their send money with PayPal and let them confirm the receipt so that PayPal will automatically review the payment that was made and it will be sent to your account right away. So it looks like this one. Once it's confirmed, it will automatically be processed by PayPal. Now, if you find this information helpful, don't forget to give it a like. And if you have comments down below, you can type it in. Thanks for watching.